Hi everyone, and welcome to today's new listing. We are here in Pompano Beach, Florida, in a lovely neighborhood called Cresthaven, exactly 2 miles from the beach. We have a brand new construction home completed in 2021. You're gonna love this 3-bedroom, 2-bath, no HOA, and plenty of space for family and gatherings. Come on in. Step into this beautiful kitchen. We have stainless steel, top of the line Sansa appliances, and look at this countertop. We have a beautiful Onyx countertop with high-end wooden cabinets. Look at all this space. Welcome to the backyard. This is the best part of the house. It's privately fenced in, just recently redone. All the plumbing is ready to go. If you wanted to drop in a pool, all the cast iron has been removed in this house and replaced for PVC. We have impact windows and doors throughout. We have French doors that's gonna look beautiful for your backyard, little tiki hut, or whatever you want to put in the backyard. More importantly, we even added an extra space, a storage unit in the outside. Follow me this way.